What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. You probably think I'm crazy because today's Saturday, but we are a day late. I'm so sorry about that. We are restocking today at 4 p.m. Central, so make sure you check your local times and convert them if you need to. Another thing I wanted to quickly mention was that we are not going to be restocking next week, so make sure you try to snatch some slimes this week, and all of the 4th of July themed slimes, anything basically that's red, white, and blue in the shop is going to be at a discounted price, so make sure you go ahead and snatch those. I know there's usually like some lit intro that's 15 seconds long, but that 15 seconds takes like an hour and a half to edit, and I just didn't have that time this week. I'm so sorry. What you're watching right now is Chanel #2. She's the queen of Unicorn Slime Shop. I love her so much. You all seem to love her. She is a thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime, and she's really good. My best seller, sells out super fast, so if you want it, get to the store early, okay? Baja Blast is back as well. This is another one of my best sellers. It is a Baja Blast scented cloud slime. This one is really cool though because it's actually a clear glue based cloud slime, so it looks a little bit different, almost icy like, but it still has that nice cloud drizzle. I really love this one and you all do as well. This one is kind of competing with Chanel at the moment. These kind of sell out at the same time, so if you want it, get there early. H2O is a really nice thick and clear slime. It's just super basic, ultra clear, and very thick. It's really nice, and it'll come with a random charm or a water bottle charm, so it's lit. Another one of my best sellers that has been absent for a hot minute is Detox Water. This one is a really nice, thick, and clear slime as well, but this one has some fruit Fimo slices in it, and it'll come with one random fruit charm, so it's just really nice. You all completely demolished Birthday Cake Oreo last week, so I knew I had to bring it back. It was sold out so fast, almost as fast as Chanel. I was actually pretty shook. If you don't know about this one yet, it's just a very thick and glossy base. It's scented just like Birthday Cake Oreos, and it has some rainbow sprinkles down at the bottom, and on top it has rainbow foam beads to give it a little bit of crunch. I can't speak today. I'm telling you, y'all, I have been so busy this week. It's been crazy. I have a couple videos that I was filming that you are going to be seeing this next coming week, so just get excited. It's just been a week. Candy Floss is a cloud slime that is scented like cotton candy, and it has some pink glitters on top of it, and it'll come with a random candy or like sweet treat charm. This one is brought back from quite a while as well, so hope y'all like it as much as y'all have been. Bomb Pop is probably my favorite through this whole restock. I love this so much. It is a cloud slime, but it's a clear glue based cloud slime, so it's like the same texture as Baja Blast, but it's just, oh my god, the scent is everything. So the red smells like cherry, the white smells like a lemon slushy, and the blue smells like blue raspberry slushy. Oh my god, all of them together smell so good. I love this so much, and it's a cloud slime, so you don't have to worry about the colors mixing before it gets to you. It's amazing, y'all. And like I said, all the 4th of July themed slimes are discounted this week, so you can get this one at a cheaper price than you normally would. Red Velvet Buttercream was actually brought into stock last week and you all really liked it, so I brought it back. This one is a Red Velvet scented buttercream slime, which is basically a cross between a butter slime and a cloud cream. It's just really, really good, very sizzly, thick, yet stretchy at the same time, and spreadable, like just everything that you basically want in a slime in one slime, you know what I mean? Black Cherry Buttercream is another one of my favorites this week. I love this so much. It smells like Cherry Lifesaver candy, which smells so good, by the way. It's just mind-boggling, and it's just a black buttercream slime. Again, the same texture as the Red Velvet Buttercream slime, so it's like a cross between a butter slime and a cloud cream. Very spreadable, sizzly, thick, and stretchy at the same time. It's just wild. Unicorn Cloud is a cloud slime that is scented like a mixture of rainbow sherbet and acai berry, which is so good. It's just so mouth-watering. I love it. My mouth's watering right now at the moment. Anyways, this one is a cloud slime. It's very good. Y'all know I suck at drizzling cloud slimes though, so I apologize if this is a little bit cringy. I'm hitting the camera and all that stuff. Like, I just can't deal with the clouds, but I know y'all like them, so I restocked them. This one has a bunch of glitters in it. It has some iridescent glitters on top. It has purple iridescent heart glitters and also some purple iridescent unicorn glitters from Slimy palettes. They're amazing. I love Slimy palettes, so yeah. Disco Baby is another really cool cloud slime. I have quite a bit of cloud slimes this week, actually. I'm just realizing that now. That's probably why my arms are hurting really bad. Anyways, this one is a really cool slime because it is topped with those holographic glitters. They might look silver on camera, but trust me, they're holographic. The slime itself is a cloud slime and it's scented like baby powder, which kind of might be crazy to y'all, but it actually smells really good. And that's why I call it Disco Baby, because the holographic kind of reminds me of a disco and baby powder, you know? Olive Garden Mints is a Java chip slime and it smells like chocolate mint. It's really nice. I love the texture of the Java chip slimes. I wish I could stock more. I just really like it. I told you all a story on my Instagram about like 3 or 4 years ago when I used to work at Olive Garden. I legit used to steal the mints from there. I would legit put handfuls of them into my apron and take them home every single day, and I had bowls and bowls of them. I love them so much. I know they're just Andy's mints, by the way. I got a whole bunch of comments on Instagram saying, you know, they're just Andy's mints. Yes, I realize. I just really love them, okay? Chocolate and mint are like meant for each other. Stars and Sparkles is a really cool unscented fishbowl slime. It has a bunch of fishbowl beads in it. It's not a full fishbowl though. I would classify this not as a light fishbowl either. It's like a half fishbowl because there's definitely a lot of fishbowl beads. There's just not enough to classify it as a full fishbowl. So just had to throw that disclaimer out there. This one's really nice because it also has those star pieces in it. Red, white, and blue. I mean red, clear, and blue, sorry. And then I packed this full of iridescent glitters as well as normal fishbowl beads. So yeah. And remember, because this is a 4th of July or Independence Day themed slime, this is going to be discounted in the shop. Captain America Crunch is a really thick and glossy base slime with a whole bunch of foam beads. There are large blue and white foam beads and small red foam beads just to go with the red, white, and blue theme. And it is scented like Captain Crunch because Captain America, Captain Crunch, they're both captains, you know what I mean? I really like this slime a lot. It's basically just like a normal Captain Crunch slime but with red, white, and blue, which I really dig. It's just really nice. And of course, it's going to be discounted. Hello. I realize that the voiceovers are just getting messier and messier as I go along. I'm running off of very little sleep, y'all. I'm sorry about that. I won't be this unprepared anymore, I promise. And lastly, we have another bestseller slash fan favorite. This one is Dragon Fruit Jelly. It is a jelly slime scented like dragon fruit, and it's just really good. Classic jelly slime texture, and there are black glitters to represent the little black flecks in the dragon fruit. It looks super realistic, it smells super realistic, and everybody really liked this one at the Slime Bash, so pretty sure you're gonna like it. Just go out on a limb, get it if you want to. Yeah. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope that you all liked it and found something that you would like to purchase. It really means a lot to me that you all stick around and watch the entire video, so thank you. Also, the shop opens at 4 p.m. Central today. Don't forget, if you want updates, then make sure you're following me on Instagram at Unicorn Slime Shop so that I can update you all. I'm going to be posting more videos on there as well. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!